I've been using the Navy Federal Auto Loan for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the essential points, including its key features, benefits, potential risks, and considerations. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of whether the Navy Federal Auto Loan is the right choice for your financing needs. Key features. The Navy Federal Auto Loan is packed with features designed to make car buying or refinancing straightforward and affordable. Competitive rates. You can enjoy auto loan rates as low as 4.09% APR for new vehicles. Quick decisions. You can get a loan decision in seconds, making the process faster and more convenient. Military discounts. Active duty military members can take advantage of exclusive rate discounts. Refinance rewards. You can receive up to around $200 when you refinance your auto loan from another lender. Benefits. Savings opportunities. It has potential to save thousands by refinancing your loan at a lower rate. Its military discounts further reduce the cost of financing. 24/7 access. You can manage your loan anytime with Navy Federal's robust online and mobile banking options. Flexible payment options. You can set up convenient payment plans that fit your budget and timeline. Customer-centric approach. Navy Federal is known for its excellent customer service, supporting members throughout the loan process. Things to consider. Loan restrictions. Late model and used vehicle eligibility depend on mileage and year. Extended loan terms over 72 months are limited to select vehicles. Eligibility requirements. Navy Federal membership is required, which is primarily available to military members and their families. There are pros and cons. Pros, competitive APR starting at 4.09%. No hidden fees for loan processing or early repayment. Military discounts offer additional value. Refinance incentives like the $200 cashback reward. Cons. Membership is exclusive to military-affiliated individuals. Extended loan terms may lead to higher overall interest payments. Strict eligibility criteria for vehicle models and mileage. Final thoughts. The Navy Federal Auto Loan is an excellent option for those looking to finance a new or used vehicle or refinance an existing auto loan. With competitive rates, exclusive military discounts, and quick loan decisions, it's a solid choice for eligible members. As always, consult a financial expert to ensure the loan aligns with your needs and budget.